The LED third brake light that we have here today will appeal to all 09 to 18 Ram owners who might be looking to ditch that boring faded factory red option and go with a more aggressive looking option that's going to pack plenty of brightness thanks to those modern LEDs in action. Now this light will combine both white and red LEDs in a DOT approved package, offer right around the very affordable $50 to $60 price point. Install really couldn't be much easier here thanks to the plug and play connection, so therefore expect a pretty soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and about an hour or less to complete from start to finish. But if you hang with me for a bit, we'll walk you through that job later in the video. So when shopping around here at AT, you'll notice we have several different third brake light options to choose from for the 4th gen truck specifically. Some are going to be more factory inspired, let's just say, while others are going to be a little bit more aggressive. Now the option that we're featuring here today, I would say is probably going to appeal more to truck owners looking for something aftermarket in appearance and really dig that kind of combination of the dark housing with the clear lens, giving you almost that smoke look. Now this is great especially if you've already added some blacked out or smoke lighting on your rig. Obviously this is going to flow very well with those. But underneath that clear polycarbonate lens is where this light really is going to shine, pun intended, and that is due to the combination of both the white and the red LEDs. Now red, pretty self-explanatory, right? It's obviously going to handle your brake light duties, while the white LEDs on the other hand are going to act as your cargo light to help illuminate any of your bed cargo at night. Now those LEDs are going to be far brighter compared to the dingy factory incandescent bulbs that you are replacing, and really only will help increase your visibility on the road when we're talking braking, and obviously shine a brighter light on your cargo at night when needed. Now these LEDs I should say, are going to be nestled into that black ABS housing. This guy has been designed to be a factory replacement as well, meaning no need for any modification, guys. No need to drill anything out or anything like that. Cut any wires up. This can be a very simple swap. Finally, everything has been sealed up nice and tight here to prevent any water or condensation building up over the years. But shifting gears, guys, what do you say we talk briefly about the install? And again, I say brief here because it's going to be a very straightforward job. 2 screws to remove the housing itself, simple plug to swap the housing and the wiring, and that's pretty much it. But to give you a better idea of just how exactly this one will go down on your 4th gen at home, feel free to check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown right now.
Tools used for this installation: Phillips screwdriver. We're going to start by removing our Phillips head screws. There's 2 of them. Okay, now we're going to be able to pull out our brake light. Now that we have our 2 Phillips head screws out, you're going to be able to just give it a tug, pull it out. You're going to have your wiring harness right here. You're going to pop that off, pull that clip off. Now this stock factory brake light is removed. Now we'll go to start installing our new LED. Now that we have our old brake light removed, we're going to first start by connecting our wire connector like that. We're going to tuck it up inside. There's another power lead that comes off of this that we're going to put up inside there so nothing gets pinched. We'll just put our LED in place, start our Phillips head screws. Get one started. Start our second one. Snug them up. And that's it. She's installed. That wraps up our review and install of our LED third brake light with cargo lamp in black for 09 to 18 Ram 1500s. Thanks for watching, and for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.